We are going to launch in the next few weeks. Today we are launching a doubling of track, which again is by the same railway, going from Vasco to Hostel.
Yes, sir.
Vasco to Hostel. And that should be doubling, which will again create huge opportunities for people involved. The doubling would mean that more goods can be transported, there will be more jobs to be created, because railway will transport. But how are you going to bring the cargo to the railway station? You have to have a transportation facility. The loading and unloading will also create jobs. So this is going to be a huge opportunity for railway. Government will get revenue. Everybody will benefit. So the doubling, which is about 3,000 crore.
Yes, sir. Right up to
About 3,000 crore.
Yes.
So just imagine 3,000 crore of investment will be available. So these are the type of activities. In fact, when we have said that we sell our capex, capital expenditure of railways, to be 1,21,000. Last year, target was we did 94,000 crore, 1,21,000 crore. I just repeated, we will probably exceed